that, you make sure you close the machine well. Then you start back. My name is Nancy Nyairo from Mama Spices Company. We deal with spices. There are different types of spices. We have hot chili, ginger, garlic, and there's a combination of the two, ginger and garlic. We normally blend the ginger into paste form, the garlic, even the chilies. We blend them into paste form for easier use at home. The production process involves receiving the product from the supplier. After receiving the product, we weigh the product to know the amount of kgs he or she has brought. Then after receiving, we clean them, like the ginger, we clean it, we remove the dirt. Then even the garlic, we do the same, and the chilies we peel. After cleaning like ginger, we start peeling. Then we peel, putting them into the clean water, which we sterilize it using a sterilizer to kill all the germs and immunities, because since it's direct from the garden. After peeling them, we cut them into small pieces for easy blending, because it's ginger. So we have to cut into small pieces for easy blending. Then after cutting them, we again rinse them with clean water to remove the sterilizer. After cleaning, again we weigh to know the amount that we have peeled, because there's an excess dirt which goes out. After weighing, then we move into blending. Blending, we normally also sterilize everything we use for blending, especially the machine. We start with the machine and the utensils we are using for blending. Before we start blending, you also need to weigh some oil and vinegar. Oil helps in blending to make it smoother and pasty form. Then the vinegar acts like a preservative. After blending, now we start packaging. We normally package using a spoon, and you need to fill in well to avoid the spacing in the product, in the bottle. After we package the product, it needs to be pasteurized to remove the excess oxygen from the bottle. Pasteurizing meaning we put them into a sufuria, a big sufuria. We arrange them nicely, then you add water, then you light up the fire. Then you give it a few minutes for the water to bubble. It needs to bubble or become a bit hotter. That's when now you remove them from the hot water, then you wipe them, place them on the table for them to cool down for the next process, which is labeling. After it cools down, we start labeling. We label, making sure we also stamp the expiry dates. Then we seal. The common mistakes people make when they're using these spices, they don't use it at the right place. Like when cooking pilau, you need to have ginger and garlic. Some use only garlic. So that's why we came up with a combination of the two. You can use our products like even herbs, especially the ginger. You can use it with hot water to cure cold flu. And even now, the season like for corona now, you can use it as a dawa to clear your throat and everything.